Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Mischief Maker TV. Now, some of you may or may not know, Walter and I are actually heading back over to California to pick everything up there and head to KOH. But before then, we are making a couple of stops, and the first one being here in Canton, Ohio. We're here because our friend Tommy owns Off the Grid Motorsports, which is right here. Boop, boop. Right in here, this whole building. We decided to get the back of the truck bullet lined. Pretty exciting stuff, to be honest with you. And we have a new cover for the back. Let's go inside and check everything out. So this long hose right here, this is what they use. It'll be parked in here. This curtain gets pulled. And wham bam thank you man, bullet liner happens. Super sick. How are you feeling about the bullet liner?
Okay, I'm excited. Yeah. I don't want it to be just paint. I mean, even though it's aluminum, it's not going to rust. I just feel better if it's protected, so it's good.
That's crazy. guys know, we've been here for about 24 hours, and I wanted to introduce you guys to the owner of Off the Grid. This is Tommy. Not only is he the owner here, but he's also a part of the Rockstar fam. So, Tommy, thank you so much for squeezing us in, first of all. I know you're very busy here, and you managed to actually get our bed bullet lined, which is super cool. I really, really enjoyed watching the whole process.
It's a cool product.
It certainly is. There's a real knack to getting the texture on this. We also got some goodies to keep us safe going down the road. So we're going to talk a little bit about what each thing does, starting with the airlift. I know we got some airbags underneath here. Tell us a little bit, you know, what they do.
The wireless one is one of the best systems. It's the easy mount system. It keeps you can control it all from inside the cab, so you can level your ride depending on the towing capacity.
Nice.
Keeps everything safe.
Yep, exactly. And then we have some B&W products here.
The B&W is your gooseneck ball. It goes up there, gives you the safety chains. B&W's made in the United States, so it's one of the best ball systems. This works with the factory, the Ford system, so it's a really great add-on too. And we also have the B&W tow and stow. This allows you to change your trailer heights to if you had a small trailer or big trailer, and then whenever you want to get it out of the way, you flip it and you can't even see it, so you're not banging your shins on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's
and
always
then
nice.
To secure it, we got the bolt lock, which keys to the factory Ford key, so you don't have to worry about anybody taking your hitch.
That's awesome. And the reason why we have the two of them is some of you don't know we actually have a small one-car trailer, and so we definitely need that hitch right there instead of the gooseneck. So that's why we have both products. So another product that we got was the bed cover. Now, what kind of bed cover do we have here?
We got the backflip MX4. It's a hard folding tonneau cover. Keeps your bed dry and secure.
Well, thank you again. It's been a very quick 24 hours, but long at the same time, which is really weird and fun, and it's always great to see you, Tommy. So thank you again. We're gonna get out of here and go grab some food. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Now, if you are liking these videos, remember to hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget the little ding-a-ling bell that will notify you when a new video is up. So until next time, I will see you later.